If your broiler chickens are dying, passing watery droppings, or going off feed, what you're about to learn could turn things around within the next 48 hours. No expensive drugs. No complicated treatment. Just a simple leaf most farmers overlook every day. Used correctly, it can stabilize your birds fast, reduce mortality, and save you serious money. If you're serious about raising stronger birds and cutting losses, hit subscribe now. This channel is for farmers who want real, practical results. Before we dive in, tell me, where are you watching from? I love seeing farmers from all over joining in. Drop your location in the comments while we get started. Most farmers make the same mistake when disease strikes. They wait, then panic, then rush to antibiotics. And when the drugs don't work, they double the dose, switch brands, or mix multiple medications. Sound familiar? Here's the hard truth. That approach is slowly weakening your birds. Poor gut health, low feed conversion, rising resistance, and more mortality. Meanwhile, there's a natural solution already around you that targets the root of most poultry problems, the gut. Guava leaves. Yes, the same leaves many farmers overlook have powerful antibacterial and gut-supporting properties. They can help your birds recover faster, restore appetite, reduce droppings issues, and improve overall growth. I'm going to show you how and why guava leaves work, step-by-step preparation, dosage and administration, how to build a reliable system so you stop reacting to problems and start preventing them, and real-life farmer examples you can replicate. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete, actionable guide to reduce mortality, lower drug costs, and boost profits. Most poultry deaths don't start as major diseases. They start in the gut. Stress from heat, overcrowding, poor water, or sudden feed changes weakens the digestive system. Once the gut is compromised, harmful bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, and Clostridium take over. That's when you see watery or green droppings, bad odor in the poultry house, weak and inactive birds, or sudden deaths. Most farmers get it wrong because they treat symptoms, not the cause. They chase drugs while the gut keeps failing. What you need to do instead is focus on gut health first. Because if the gut is strong, the birds can fight infections naturally. Take Peter, a small-scale broiler farmer. He used to lose 12% of his batch to digestive disorders by week 4. Every week he spent extra on antibiotics, and nothing worked long-term. When we introduced guava leaf water during the first 10 days of brooding, and again at week 4, his mortality dropped to 4.5% by the next batch. His feed conversion improved, and final weights were higher. This wasn't luck, it was plant power backed by discipline. Guava leaves contain bioactive compounds like quercetin, flavonoids, tannins, and essential oils. Quercetin reduces internal stress and repairs gut lining damage. Tannins bind and neutralize toxins. Flavonoids kill harmful bacteria by damaging their cell walls. Essential oils support digestion and reduce inflammation. When harmful bacteria try to invade, these compounds stop them before they could do serious harm. Most farmers get it wrong because they assume natural remedies are slow. Guava leaves work fast, but only if used correctly. Target the gut early, support birds with proper hydration, feed, and this leaf treatment. If you've struggled with watery droppings or sudden deaths, stay tuned because the step-by-step dosage I'm about to share is what makes the difference. Here's how to use guava leaves step by step. First, get fresh, healthy guava leaves. Wash them thoroughly to remove dust or insects. Boil about 200 grams in 2 liters of clean water for 10 to 15 minutes until the water turns dark green. Let cool, then strain. This is your guava leaf extract. For treatment, add 100 milliliters of extract to 1 liter of drinking water for 3 to 5 days. For prevention, use the same ratio twice weekly. If birds hesitate at first, start with 50 milliliters per liter on day 1, then increase. Guava leaf water must be the main source of drinking water. No mixing with plain water during treatment. Monitor water intake to ensure birds drink enough. Within 2 to 3 days, you should see firmer droppings, reduced smell, better appetite, and more active birds. If nothing changes, check preparation and dosage. You can also dry the leaves under shade, grind in a powder, and mix 3 to 5 grams per kilogram of feed twice weekly to maintain long-term gut health. Don't mix with antibiotics. Observe one method at a time. Prevention makes guava leaves even more effective. Clean water daily, good ventilation, proper stocking density, feed hygiene, and stress management are all essential. Many farmers see improvement fast, but without proper management, bacteria return. Peter, a broiler farmer, reduced mortality from 12% to 4.5% using guava water at the start of brooding and mid-cycle. Feed conversion improved, and final weights increased. A community farm using dried guava leaf powder mixed in feed reduced watery droppings across multiple flocks in 2 weeks. To build a reliable system, use guava leaf water twice weekly as a preventive measure. Act immediately at first symptoms. Track results including batch, dosage, symptoms, and response, and combine with hygiene, ventilation, and feed management. Adjust dosage and frequency based on observation. After 3 to 4 cycles, you'll have your own farm-proven evidence. Troubleshoot common issues by starting with a smaller dose if birds refuse water, checking leaf quality for freshness and pesticide-free status, and examining feed and stressors if diarrhea persists. Every time you see results, reinforce the system. This builds confidence and ensures repeatable success. Frequent drug purchases, poor feed conversion, recurrent disease, and delayed growth are all hidden losses for farmers who don't use guava leaves. By combining this leaf with disciplined management, you reduce dependency on antibiotics, lower costs, and build healthier, stronger birds. Your birds don't fail because you're not trying. They fail because of delayed action, weak systems, and gut neglect. Guava leaves give you a simple, effective way to take control, starting with the gut. Stronger birds, lower mortality, lower drug costs, and better profits, but only if you stay consistent. You're not just raising chickens, you're building a system that works. Like, subscribe, and share this video with another farmer who needs it right now. In the next video, I'll show you another hidden mistake reducing broiler growth, even when your birds look healthy. Stay practical, stay disciplined, and let your results speak.